Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make chocolate ice cream sandwich with Oreo ice cream. Sieve 180 grams of plain flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt. You need 50 grams of dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate and keep aside. 100 grams of unsalted butter. Mix until the butter is soft. Add the chocolate and mix well. Add 50 grams of powdered sugar. Add 1 egg yolk and mix well. Add the dry ingredients. Transfer the dough onto cling film and fold as shown. Roll out the dough. Place in the fridge for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, place baking paper on top of the dough and roll out again. Freeze for 2 hours. Use a 7 cm cookie cutter and place on a baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 13 minutes. Once baked, transfer on a cooling rack and allow it to cool completely before placing the ice cream. Link in description on how to make Oreo ice cream. Take a smaller size of a cookie cutter compared to the one used for the biscuits. Refrigerate for 1 hour before serving.